Robert, you are one of our Center for Management Strategy's new providers in civic engagement. Can you tell our audience a little bit about what you do?
Sure, Cheryl, I'd be happy to. So, Peak Democracy has been doing online civic engagement now for, actually it'll be 6 years in November. And so over that period of time, we've seen more and more local governments become interested in online civic engagement as a natural way to extend the community outreach requirements that they have for planning projects, for city council meetings, for all situations in which they want to have citizen input. And it's great to be able to join the CMS group now, because this gives us another avenue to introduce the experience that we've accumulated over the past 6 years and have it contribute to the family of leading practice providers that CMS offers.
Excellent. So why do local governments benefit from a product such as yours? You're working in the online environment, so why is it important that local governments take advantage of tools like what you're promoting?
Well, we provide something called Open Town Hall, and this is a service that enables governments to reach out to citizens in a way that builds public trust in government. You know, it's one thing to allow citizens to go and say whatever they want to say online in ways that promote the interests of a few special people with large social networks. But it's another thing to reach out in a way which is inclusive, which includes a broad range of opinions and helps people contribute in ways which are constructive to the general broad public interests of their community. We have developed over the past 6 years tools and procedures to make sure that all voices are heard, that there's no one particular voice that dominates the process, and that the overall conversation remains focused on what local governments need to discuss with their citizenry. At the end of the process, typically in one of the Open Town Hall projects, a local government makes a decision or arrives at an action item as in the next step of a plan. And they publish this on Open Town Hall. And by doing that, in this very directed, focused fashion, people can see how their input contributed to the decision-making process and see tangible evidence that their local government actually listens to what they say and incorporates it into decisions that are good for the community. So being able to present that process online is really exciting for me. It's exciting, I think, for our clients and for their residents, because it builds a strong relationship between citizens and their local government, ultimately building public trust, and that's why I co-founded Peak Democracy.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well, I think it's safe to say that any good engagement effort that's undertaken by a local government or organization really needs to incorporate a variety of both online and in-person tools. And I agree with you, as a former user of your product. I think it's a great opportunity for local governments to connect with their citizenry. So thank you for being part of our group and in helping to make local government a little more efficient and effective. Thanks, Robert.
Thank you for inviting me.